Protesters armed with guns march at Spokane's federal building. They marched in downtown Spokane today and they brought their guns along. A group of gun rights activists flooded the federal courthouse plaza in downtown Spokane, going against a ban on weapons on courthouse grounds. KXLY's Grace Ditzler is working for you. And Grace, you were at the rally this morning. How did authorities respond?
Well, Aaron, the rally was led by a group called Liberty for All, and they were there to protest one of their leaders getting arrested by federal agents last week. The group disregarded a court order to stay out of the courthouse's plaza, but even so, the event remained peaceful. The group of about 70 started their day outside of River Park Square Mall, carrying guns, rifles, and American flags. Then they marched to the federal courthouse, the site where Anthony Bosworth was arrested last week for carrying an AK-47 onto the courthouse grounds.
I mean, the law is pretty clear. It's facilities is buildings, and Anthony wasn't attempting to enter or entering into a building, so he was on the grounds, so he was lawfully allowed to stay there. They misinterpreted the law and then illegally detained him based on that misinterpretation.
Since then, the U.S. Attorney's Office for Eastern Washington sent out a press release about a recent rule change on the courthouse property. The court order extends the firearms ban at the courthouse to the plaza surrounding the courthouse and the post office next door.
Oh, this is the sidewalk. You're welcome to stand out here all day long in protest.
But the group told that Department of Homeland Security officer they plan to violate the court order, saying it was a rule, not a law. Then Bosworth and a counterpart walked onto the plaza with their weapons.
I do not encourage you in any way to cross this line right here. If I catch you crossing this line, I'll do my best to stop you.
The group followed, and law enforcement didn't stop them. Liberty for All held their protests peacefully on the plaza, as security stood guard inside, on the grounds, even on the rooftops.
And they knew we wanted a peaceable event. They wanted a peaceful event. And I think we're in agreement on that, so that's why we're here, and that's why things are remaining peaceful.
And rally organizers say they were prepared for the possibility of getting arrested today. And they said the fact that they were not arrested and they were allowed to peacefully protest on the courthouse grounds with their weapons shows them that Bosworth's arrest was unlawful. Reporting live in downtown Spokane, Grace Ditzler, KXLY 4 News.